I'm here again to give you a new tip for Bitcoin trading. I am happy that you were able to watch my previous video and able to have good profit. I can see my lot of comments that you are able to watch and you guys able to have some profit as well. And my reason to make videos that I'm giving you a small tip to understand how you can start trading with Bitcoin and even any other currency or anything you want to trade in Forex. So I will try to explain more things today, and I will help you out what are the more important things when the market is not clear, how you can try to read the market and what are the trends are going on. So today's video I will give you some more tips that will make more easy to understand the market, and you will able to understand how and what time you can open the trade if candles are not the way which I explained before. Because sometime you need to wait if you need a very clear picture, then you will wait, like I said on my previous video, that the plus sign of the candles, and you can easily trade buy or sell. So today I'll give you some more tips that what are the more important factors that you can trade with if market is not clear and you want to open trade. So I will give you some more strategies, and I will give you a little hint that what you can do if you want to trade with a few points, or if you want to start with a smaller amount, because some of my viewers, they asked me to give you the explanation about how we can make profit if we are using only $100 or less than $1,000. So I'll give you a few tips now, and you can try to understand and make it more clear for you to enter the market. So mostly as you know that I am just talking about Forex, because only Forex I can give you the detail, because stock exchange is a bit different, but in Forex you can try to understand things more easily than the market. Let's start with the detail again here. I'll just remove this chart. Okay, now you see currently, if you can see that market is around 64,000 and around $64,000 dollars, and if you notice here today market is keep moving downward. So there are some possibilities that there will be correction means that market might be go upward again. And the main point I want to share with you here, that what will give you the best way to understand the correction. So this is also now it's 4 hour chart. If you can see in 1 hour chart, the situation is a bit different, but in 4 hour chart you can have a clear picture. Now in 1 hour chart you can see the RSI, because these two things I will share with you, RSI and MACD. Okay, these two things I will show you that what are the things that you can check, and if this really you are able to understand, then you can open the trade. Okay, right now if you can see that RSI is a 42.4%, so it's not less than 30%. If people, or if you guys know about RSI, mostly people who use this RSI model, they try to trade when RSI is less than 30 or 25 or even 20. That's the time people start buying, because it means that market is oversell whenever RSI is less than 30. Okay, whenever RSI, remember this is the important thing that you need to know. whenever RSI is less than 30, if the market is oversell, then that's the time that there are chances that you can open a buy deal. Okay, but currently if you can see it's 41, it's not really oversell, but it's almost reaching oversell, because if you can see here, market drops, drops. So here, if you can see this red line, it's basically it's a starting of support point. Okay, the support point, it's tried to break from last 2 hours, but it was not really break. It reached here, it's tried to break, but the whenever the 1 hour touch 1 hour candle finish, it stopped here. You see, it means it was not able to break. So here you see the next hour, the current hour that is running, because it's a live chart. So see, market is going up. Now I'll show you how you can do with the 4 hour. Okay, because 4 hour chart will give you a more clear picture what is going on. Let's see here. Now here is a 44%. Market is RSI is 44%, so it's not really a buy. But there are one more thing that you need to check: MACD. Whenever you will see MACD, you see the structure of MACD. It's going like this, then down, then up, and then down again. Now you can see this point and this point. Okay, so whenever market is moving from here, and you can see the curve is going down, this is a clear idea also that you can start selling the Bitcoin, because you see the curve is moving downward. So same happen when curve is moving. You see the market is moving down here. See, the curve is keep moving, and that time when this curve is here, this one you can see here, this one is upper point, it's almost 70 here. This line is 70 and this line is 30. Remember this thing, this dotted line is 30 and this one is 70. So see the curve here. If you are able to see this curve here, the points you see, this one is 70, this is 70 all. So it was going up and up, it was touching 70, almost 70, this one. So this one also 70. So after that start moving downward. Now you can see going down. So this all curve going down here. So here, then it's still keep. You see, now you notice about this line. This line is what? This line is this, basically it was not really able to break this point. You can see from here to here, from all these 4 hour chart and the candles, this huge drop, if you are able to see this is the huge drop. This huge drop also not able to break this support level. This is the first support level. You see, there are, this up is resistance. This resistance was break and it reached the support level, but again this support level was not able to break. What is this support level? 63585. So 63585 is the support level that is still not breaching. Now there are possibilities, because if you can see here the MACD, you see here, it's curving here. Now possible market will start curving down here and going up. So you need to wait a bit more, and if you can see, if this curve is moved little bit upward, there are chances that you can get and you can have a profit, because possible market will go up again. Because you see this curve is always like this, up and down. Most of the time curve going down, then going up, then going down, then going up. So it's a wavy curve, and it will really give you a good picture that okay, now the curve is going like this. There are possibilities market is already oversell, so there is the time now market will go up from here. So again, like before I told you, when you a few days ago, when I asked you that this is the main point, wait for this hour and after that you can start selling. So whenever this plus and this one and this one when it reached down, that's the time I asked you wait for this candle 10 to 15 minutes, 30 minutes from a last video if you are able to see, and after that you can trade. So you see this one, it reached, as I mentioned my previous video, that wait 15 to 30 minutes. When if market is going down, then sell it. What happened that day? Market went down. Even on that day I clearly mentioned that market will move around 600-700 points or 1000 points. So after that market really moves and you guys are able to make profit. So remember these things. So if you cannot see something like this or something like I shared with you previously, the point here I'll show you. Where is that? Here. So here you can see this plus here and this plus here. So this one, if you were able to see my previous video, I share with you these two techniques. Now here the same thing we found here and we sell it. So all of you are able to have some profit. Now here we don't have any clear picture, but here we have this support line which is not able to break by Bitcoin all these rallies today and yesterday, and from last 3 days it's just moving here, going up from here. Earlier it was market movement was good, but it was still not able to break this support line. So now remember, if market is going, this one is currently is 43%, if it's reached 35% or 30%, and after that this curve is curve move again towards upward, it's a very good chance you can open buy deal and have some profit. This is the short video that I just make for you, just for give you this two indicator hint. So hope you were able to understand. If you have any question, just let me know. I can create more videos. So remember, RSI and MACD is an important indicator whenever you are trading in any currency or any Bitcoin, gold, anything. So follow these things and try to understand. Remember one more thing that I always mention, that do the trading when there are not big news that time. But if there are clear indicator like this one and here this one, then you can trade easily, no problem, when you have such plus sign and the earlier I told share with you. So those plus signs are important. It's easy to trade that time, but if no, then you follow the RSI and the MACD model to earn some money. So if you like my channel, subscribe the channel and keep watching it. I'll give you more tips time to time to understand more things, so you can have some profit. If you want to trade more tonight or coming days, remember these things. These are small tips, small things, but it's very important. Today is basically Friday, so market still have time to close, but most of the time a lot of news coming on Saturday, Sunday. So there are some rumors also about Bitcoin, that Bitcoin is reaching $500,000. So keep in touch with news, check the Bloomberg, investing.com and all the financial market, so you will understand. So this is for today. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching this channel, this video, and hope you will have some more profit near future. Thank you.